We are going to be a few games off or a few days off, and then we'll get back into the action after that. Back here in Cuneta Astrodome for our Final Four. Pero dito muna tayo sa second quarter. It is Anbeda leading it by 5, 27-22. Martin Oviera alongside Coach Jerry Codinera taking you through this coverage. Coach, first quarter natin. Makikita natin, parehong teams natin gumagana mula sa court. Nagpapatuloy dito, Ian Suico, hitting it from the outside.
Kapasok, talaga ready. Yan ang bata na preparado sa laro. Pag pinasok, wala nang painit.
Ito si Brian Sahonia. Surveys the floor, Red Lions. On the attack, drop off inside, Maynard Songkuya, who has gotten a good chunk of the playing time dito sa first half natin and making the most out of it. Remember, they don't have Bismarck Lina today, so expect Songkuya to get more minutes as we see this Ian Suico 3.
Itong si Songkuya, makita mo the way he moves inside. Alam mo, dating big man eh. Talagang kung ilagay niya yung bantay niya sa likod, sakto talaga. Talagang hindi siya nararatel pag hawak ang bola.
Big man instincts.
Oo.
So talagang,
hindi niya binababa yung bola.
Yeah. So ngayon, puntahan natin ang ating courtside reporter. Nandito ulit si Mikay Mindanao. Mikay.
After a tough loss against the Benil Blazers last game, ang plano naman ng koponan ni Coach Yuri Escueta is to finish the eliminations on a high note. At sabi pa nga ng captain nila na si Yuki Andrada that they have to win this game in order to build the team's confidence and get the momentum ngayong papasok na ng semis. Ika pa nga niya na we should be expecting a more determined and more composed team from the Lions. Let's see if the Red Lions would be able to get this game and have that comeback victory. Martin and Coach Jerry.
Well placed, Mikay. That's what Sanbeda needs to do here. They can't afford the loss despite this being a non-bearing game for both teams. Siyempre, gusto ng Sanbeda, panalo sila para maganda yung momentum nila. Papasok ng Final Four as Brian Sahonia nails it from the outside.
Ngayon lang talaga si Sahonia. Gusto ko makita itong Sahonia tumira ng mga more touches eh. Sa akin, nakukulangan ako sa mga tira niya eh.
Yeah, he has slowed down significantly after a hot start dito sa kanyang unang taon. Gabat got the step. Gabat had a smooth move. A play ago for San Sebastian. Uy, hindi nakatingin. Eto na si Nico Aguilar. Nagmamadali si Nico. Uy, everything but the basket.
Ganda sana kung pumasok.
Yuken! Kaboom! Andrada gives Sanbeda their largest lead. 35-27.
Galing talaga ng Andrada talaga. Ano lang kung minsan, papasensya siya eh. Kahit minsan walang tanggap ng bola, antay lang siya, hindi siya nagde-demand sa bola. Sistema lang.
Suico, face up J. Leonard Velasco could not secure it inbounds. Kita mo naman yung galaw dito ni Polo Gabat. Cradling that one in the air. And a quick answer for Brian Sahonia on the other side.
Easy 3 points yan, paki Sahonia. Iniiwan mo ng ganyan, kalayo.
Here's the inside pass. Yuken. He's got Suico on him. Andrada, the short stab. It's good. Yuken with a couple of baskets here in the second frame. And Sanbeda now has established the first double-digit lead in the game.
Nabuo ang samahan ng NCAA at GMA noong 2020 sa kasagsagan ng COVID-19 pandemic kung kailan pinagbawal lahat ng face-to-face events. Ngunit kung ang ibang mga liga ay nagkansela ng kanilang mga season, itinuloy pa rin ang NCAA Season 96 Rise Up Stronger. Online, ginawa ang halos lahat ng mga sports events kasama na ang opening ceremony. Nagkaroon din ng virtual chess at taekwondo tournament at live basketball at volleyball skills challenge na alinsunod pa rin sa mga health protocols. Yan ang NCAA sa siglo 1.
Welcome back to the action. Yukian Andrada finding his touch here in the second quarter, Coach.
Wala, sa kanya yan, parang shooting drill lang yan kay Andrada. Tsaka nakita mo sa post niya to, ginapong niya. Galing sa shot take yun. Ang hirap, walang angle, hindi niya ginamit yung board, pero makita mo yung touch niya. Ang ganda, swabing-swabe lang. Fingertips lang ang ginamit. Ano na?
Parang Coach Jerry Codinera yun ah.
Oo,
Diba?
galing yan. At saka makita mo ngayon ang atake ng San Beda ngayon. Pumupunta na sila sa post.
Yeah.
Mga kung may mismatch, pinupunta nila, whether guard, forward, or bigs. Medyo pumapost na sila ngayon.
Polo Gabat handles it here. San Sebastian is facing a 10-point deficit. Kanina, dikitan sila. Ngayon, nakakalayo na ang San Beda. Nice move, but no basket for Gabat. Ito na si Penny Estacio. Forward pass. Richie Calimag. Uy, missed the layup.
Wide open lane. Oh?
Bounce pass to Gabat with a Pinoy step.
Grabe yun.
Palayo yung Pinoy step niya din, Coach. Ha?
Oo, pasay. Yung talaga open court player to si Gabat, eh, no? O, mag-opposite sila ng magkapatid, eh. Yung isa shooter, ito naman siya. Transition.
Catch and shoot para kay Brian Sahonia. He's showing us the range here.
Yan ang laro ni Brian Sahonia. 3 points.
Parang buenas dito si Brian sa Cuneta Astrodome.
Oo, 2 for 2. Tsaka catch and shoot player yan siya. Pag nag-initiate siya, siyempre nag-iiba rhythm din niya. Kumbinsan eh.
Ito si Leonard Velasco. Polo Gabat fading away. He gets fouled. And we see 5 more players coming off the bench for San Sebastian. So, another platoon substitution coming up. Teka lang. Free throw muna si Polo Gabat. Bago siya palitan mamaya ni Mix Pascual as we see this play. Nico Aguilar displaying the vision and then Gabat displaying the Pinoy step.
Nakakaloko yung ganyan. Yung from acceleration to deceleration. Kala mo, pwedeng idin. Biglang sa side step ng pagkabagal-bagal.
Usong-uso yung deceleration ngayon.
Uso.
Dami gumagawa.
Kontra-tempo.
Luka Doncic. Anthony Edwards. Si Anthony Edwards, natutunan daw niya sa teammate niya. Si Luka Garza.
It's another weapon. Stop and go.
Lalo in transition. Pag marunong kang gumamit, you know, it can be a weapon for you.
Yes, malaking bagay sa mga bata yon. Hindi lagi puro full speed. Kailangan primera, segunda, tercera, balik ka segunda, kwarta.
Ayun.
Ganun.
Nakita na natin yan sa collegiate scene. Si Richie Rivero. Yun.
Yes.
One of the masters of the Pinoy step as we see this floater go in for RC Calimag.
Si RC, kumisa niya, tira sa labas yan. Pero nakita mo, meron na siyang one bounce pull up. Floater.
Pero matindi yung tiwala sa kanya ni Coach Yuri. You know, despite his struggles from the outside. That's his role, by the way. A sharp shooter, itong si RC Calimag. Kahit nagsastruggle siya, pinagkakatiwalaan pa rin siya ng mga minuto. As Felibrico.
Yung Felibrico, biglang pumoste. Kanina, labas, di ba? All around din eh. Itong batang to eh.
Ito na. Agaw ng San Sebastian. Forward pass. Uy, Penny Estacio. Taking it back. Penny. No. Puno. Follow up.
Yun ang talon. Talagang parang sa lakas ng talon eh. Kinuha ang bola dito na sa chest niya eh.
That is Jomel Puno, highly improved in season 100. Cruz. Maliwat. Nagpakawala. Off to the right that time.
Medyo alanganin yung tira na yun.
Jomel Puno. Showing us the speed, going coast to coast for that lay-in.
Wala man lang po make up doon sa transition.
Ito na si Felibrico, baseline move. And he finishes with a reverse.
Inside, outside, no? Felibrico.
Pati siya, dinidisplay niya yung kanyang offensive arsenal dito.
He takes what the defense gives him. Labas, pwede niya atakin. May advantage sa full speed. Atake siya.
Ito na ulit siya. Siya naman ngayon nagpapaba ng bola. Felebrico against a quicker Penny Estacio. He'll back down. Felebrico fouled. So that time, Felebrico took advantage of the man in front of him as we see this long-distance connection by Brian Sahonia, and then afterwards RC Kalimag floats it up and in down the middle. And Estacio missed. Jomel Puno the follow-up, and Puno with the coast-to-coast finish. How do you stop a guy like that moving on the break?
Easy points. Para sa kanya yon. Walang tumatapat sa kanya. Keep on doing it. Yan naman sinasabi ng mga coaches. Get the easy points. Yung mga putbacks, 50-50 balls. Yan ang mga libre yan eh.
Tsaka ilang strides lang, Coach Jerry. Nakarating na siya sa kabila.
Yes, oo. He has the speed. Agility, stamina. Pwede niya kanuhin yun. Samantala.
Meron tayong timeout dito. 46-37 lead for San Beda.
Alam niyo ba na meron ding Kapuso Stars ang nag-aral sa NCAA schools? Ilan sa mga ito ay sina Yasser Marta na naging team B ng San Sebastian bago lumipat sa LPU. Si Anthony Rosaldo naman ay galing sa Arellano at si Rocco Nasino na naging Mr. Mapua pa. Mga perpetualites naman sina Kailin Alcantara at Shaira Diaz, habang tubong St. Benilde sina El Villanueva at David Licauco. Proud Bedans naman sina Sofia.
Welcome back to the coverage. You guys are watching NCAA Season 100 on GTV. At pinapakitaan tayo ng mga galaw na ganito ni Tristan Felebrico of San Sebastian. How about this drive? Displaying the entire arsenal in their last game of the elimination round. That's the captain, TJ Felebrico.
Matured gumalaw. Ito si Felebrico. Kompletong bata. Very deceiving lang ang height niya, pero very smart. He knows what to do with the ball. Pero siyang kompleto itong bata na to. Kung yung mga gusto mo yan, pag meron kang binubuo na team, swerte ka kung may mga ganito kang klaseng player.
Ito si TJ, late bloomer dito ngayong taon because, you know, he let the two-guard shine. Talking about Escobedo and Paeng Are initially. But midway through the season, na-recognize niya na, okay, parang kailangan na akong gumawa para sa aking kupunan.
Yes, kahit pa paano, naitatawid nila pa konti-konti San Sebastian eh.
Yeah. That's a miss by RC Kalimag. And this is TJ Felebrico being closely eyed by RC Kalimag. Felebrico on the blow-by. He gets fouled. And two takes coming up for San Sebastian's team captain. He has 6 points so far. This is his second trip to the free throw line. Leonard Soncuya commits the foul. It's only the first foul on Soncuya. So ito si Felebrico. Nasa linya ngayon. Fully accepting his role. He's only maybe 6'1", 6'2". Generous yung 6'3", Coach Jerry.
Yes,
Diba?
Pero kaso lang, medyo when it comes to perimeter defense, wala siya nung quickness masyado. Yun ang medyo downside niya. Pero opensa, wala ka mahiling din sa bata, kompleto.
Pero itong si TJ Felebrico with of course, graduation of players like Jesse Somoda, nawala rin si James Una. Siyempre si Kalahat, nawala na rin. He needed to step up for San Sebastian. Ito si Maliwat.
Pag dinatang ka ng mga Soncuya, hulog ng langit yan. Payosing, mahirap. Luis Marklina, kumbaga sa kwan, mga blue chip, primera klase ng mga player.
Alright. Maliwat from the right wing. He drops it in. So Maliwat cuts the lead down to 5.
Hindi rin makalayo sa Beda, no?
Ito si Penny Estacio is back on the floor. This is the third 5 on the court for Coach Arvin Bonleon. Albuena. They send it back out. James Payosing off the penetration. Payosing up and in.
Ganda din ang ano niya. Maganda timing niya sa drive.
galing niya umatake ng closeout eh. Itong yung secondary attack na yan as Cruz missed that one from the corner pocket. Penny Estacio. A minute and a half left in the first half. Payosing tries from the outside. Nothing there. And this is Maliwat. He does not have the numbers, but he will take good decision for Maliwat as he got fouled in the process.
Hirap na pigilin yun eh. Pag nakaganong hawak ng bola tapos nakabuelo. Siguro, let's say, gusto mong magkaroon ka ng chance mo sa depensa, pick up mo siya early. Siguro sa 3-point area para mahirapan din bumounce.
At James Payosing, ito mo yung control niya dun sa opensa dun. Waited for the closeout. Chose to attack. Tapos tinansya niya kung yung mga bantay sa ilalim. Tapos dun na siya sa spot niya.
Itong key players ng San Beda, ito si Payosing nung nag-champion sila. Makita mo yung niya, yung pagka sobrang tight ng depensa, ang galing niyang bumbreak ng zona. Lahat ng mga gaps pinapasok niya.
At coach, yung version na yon ni James Payosing lumalabas na dito sa San Beda. You know, it started a few games ago when he took over games. Tapos ngayon nagtutuloy-tuloy, papasok tayo sa Final Four. Yung tinatawag natin na playoff Payosing.
Yes, hindi na to role player eh.
Hindi na.
Tinitignan mo, ito, pagka key piece na to ng San Beda sa kanilang quest for another championship.
Former Finals MVP. Won it in their championship run last year. Meantime, exactly a minute left in the second quarter. San Sebastian knocking on the door. They go back to their team captain, Felebrico, running into a wall. That is James Payosing.
Kita mo, tinapatay yung big man yun.
Sa labas na lang daw, Felebrico left it short.
Tsaka ang ganda ng close out ni Payosing doon bago siya pumake up sa shooter. Talagang humel muna siya, tapos sabay recover.
They swing it to the other side. Balik sa taas kay Brian Sahonia. Bounce pass, AJ Royo. Spray, Payosing. No. Rebound. That's a foul on San Sebastian. Si Pascual yung tatawagan. Siya yung nagtaas ng kamay. As they sandwich. Itong si Halbuena.
Malaki pa rin to si Halbuena. Hindi pwede hindi mo i-box out yan eh. Kahit sabihin mong hindi yan, basta nakapunta yan sa shaded area, chances are, sa haba ng kamay, makukuha niya yung rebound.
Itong si Halbuena, hindi pa niya naipapakita masyado dahil wala pa siya masyadong touches. But ang potential nito is like a taller Sanchez, Justin Sanchez, when he was starting out. As Brian Sahonia, his shot was contested.
Yun naman, nalunod siya doon. Malalakas dito malutong player na sila Maliwat eh.
So may chance pa ang San Sebastian. Ibaba ang lamang. Final shot time of the first half. Maliwat has it. Pascual needs to take. Yes! Yes for Migs Pascual. But they'll look at it. They'll review it.
Pasok yun. Converted.
Very close. Ito, silipin natin. Tinitignan na ng ating officials led by crew chief Toti Celeste. Umiiling siya dito. Nako!
Basket.
No basket.
No basket.
Umiiling na si Toti doon. Tingnan natin na net. Pascual. Uy, parang counted. Hold on. From our view here, meron pang .3. Oh, we saw the replay here. So I think they'll look at it again.
Baka.
Okay. Ayan, yung coaching staff ng San Sebastian, nakita kasi yung replay. Tapos kino-contest yung desisyon.
Ayun, i-review nila.
Review nila. Pero ngayon,
correctable naman yan eh.
ang score natin ngayon, 42-48. Eto. Let's go to our halftime break. It is the Red Lions up by 6. Halftime stats and analysis coming up next alongside the performances of our cheerleading squads.
This is only